Hi, I am Dr. Karthik Ram from Chennai Plastic Surgery. Today, I want to introduce you to our doctor-designed IV drip therapy, a personalized treatment to boost your skin, healing and overall wellness. Our IV cocktails contain a powerful ingredients like glutathione, vitamin C, multivitamins, minerals, trace elements, sometimes collagen too, and advanced revitalizing agents too. As we age, and especially after intense workouts, glutathione levels naturally drop. Glutathione is a critical antioxidant. It protects your cells from damage, supports your immune system, and helps your skin glow. Athletes and bodybuilders especially benefit because faster recovery after workouts means less muscle soreness, less fatigue, and better performance. Here is the important part. Our IV drips are not one size fits all. They are individually customized after thorough investigation of your blood levels and health history. Many salons offer IV drips without proper medical supervision, which is very risky. Even common multivitamin injections, if not administered properly, can cause severe reactions like anaphylaxis. That's why our drips are done strictly under medical supervision with sterile technique and emergency drugs ready to ensure your safety. We focus on personalized formulations and careful monitoring so you get safe, effective treatments with zero complications. For surgery patients, these drips helps speed up healing, reduce pigmentation, and improve skin tightening and supports the recovery process. Whether you want glowing skin daily, or faster post-workout recovery, or accelerated post-surgical healing, this therapy is designed for you. To experience a safe, tailored IV drip treatment, reach out to us today. We are here to support your journey to radiant skin and robust health.